Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make the famous Joe and the Juice Tunacado sandwich today. You're going to need 1 tin of tuna, 1 red onion, a few cherry tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of pesto, half an avocado, some baguettes or panini bread or pita. You can use Warburton's Thins or any thin bread, and you're going to need some mayonnaise. So I've just taken the tuna out of the tin and I've added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and a little bit of black pepper and some Himalayan salt. I've just chopped up a little bit of the red onion and I'm just going to mix that in as well. So I've cut the bread in half and I'm just going to add the pesto. So I've just spread a little bit of pesto thinly on each side of the bread, and then I'll add the other ingredients. I've put on the tuna mixture and chopped up some cherry tomatoes, and also half of the avocado I've put on top. And then I'm going to toast this in my panini grill. If you don't have a panini maker, you can just use a toaster or in a frying pan, and it looks and tastes delicious. Hope you enjoy.